Just look at. Hello! Just look at this beautiful sky. And the sun is shining, the grass is so green, the summertime. I feel myself so wonderful, and it's time for a little stretching and a little training while we are enjoying our sun. And there is my fluffy baby with me. Nikki! I have my beautiful book with me. Now I'm reading War and Peace, Leo Tolstoy, and I am just amazed. And maybe I'll tell you later a bit of the things which I am really enjoying about him. And while I am reading, I can't stop myself from writing everything I find beautifully wrote or related to me. I can't stop writing it in my diary, and this beautiful diary is from Verona, Italy, and it's very sacred for me.